Well, they're doing pretty good. They got quite a bit off already. How's Carol doing?
Yeah, let's start right here, Rick. Work our way back. I tell you what. Whoa. What we can do is, we can actually rope that. He can pull it from down here. And I'll make one cut back here and that whole thing will come down. You see what I'm saying? Sure. Yeah, I got some rope. And we'll tie it around there. I'll make my cut back here.
I don't think we need to rope. You ain't gonna hit me. Yeah, I'm sure. Well, thank you, Dave.
Well, maybe not here.
I got some limbs picked up there.
If he does, we just rope and pull. Yeah, have him pull.
You like we did before. You cut it and I hold it over here. You take care, Dave.
Get a rope out then.
All right. Talk to you later. Okay, let's do that.
Then we'll come over and get that. That was Dave. All right. Good grief.
Did you hear?
You're Dave. Oh. Dingleberry Dave? Okay.
Called himself Dingleberry.
I wouldn't call myself that. All right, now I want to take some fuel and oil with me. This is that reload. We got enough room for all this, right? Extra fuel and hard oil. Okay. Got that. Need, I'll take the rope just in case we need it.
This is fun, man.
I don't think we'll do it.
You're having too much fun for me to barge in.
This will give us a more stable platform. But you gotta have that hard hat on. Don't have to make fun of me. Your problem. Okay, ready? Okay, navigator.
To the wild blue yonder again. Oh, you have to raise these? No, you got them.
What did you hit? Oh. We're auto level? No? Okay.
Don't get too much. Your brother will be sitting. Oh, never mind.
No, not really. Okay.
Can you clip some of these off?
Yeah, if you think you can get them. And I think really what we're going to do is put a rope around this one and have Pop pull it. Because it looks pretty close. No sense taking any more chances. Now we left out with that one. Come on, go up. Okay.
Oh, you're jerking off a lot. You're going to have your brother screaming.
I think that's a mistake. That way he can get way. No, I'm going to cut it. Pop, you want to? No. Here. Well, don't pull on it real hard.
Oh, it's getting close to that wire.
Whoa.
I think we just cut it the way we were. Let me grab it and throw it over there.
Get your snippers. He can pull it. You can reach over with your snippers. Pull it, Pop. He's going to snip it.
I can snip that. ain't no way I can sit
Watch the line. It's touching the line.
I don't pull it that hard.
Yeah, that's most of it, ain't it?
Now we can see. Alright, let it go a little bit.
Yeah, you don't want to pull it real hard.
I think you go up. You go a little suggestion.
Okay, we're gonna go up and we're gonna do what Rick said.
You go a little bit that way, Rick, to reach it.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Watch that road.
Okay, navigator.
Get this out of the way. Okay. I think we need that rope now.
Yeah, we'll be all right.
Boy, that thing jerks.
You want to trade places?
Yeah, I can grab that.
All right, now I'm gonna cut it. Can I cut it here?
You cut it far back as you want to.
All right, I ain't getting close to the arm. I'll make one cut here. Yeah, and I'll cut right on back. Okay. All right.
How much farther you gonna go? You're way past these 2 minutes. We're supposed to cut. How much farther you gonna go? We're way past these 2 minutes. We're gonna cut. Oh! Hold on, I get this one. He doesn't want to get this one. You want this one? It's good. Okay. They get that one really fast. I just want to get that one there and then come back this way. This one? You want to get that one? That ain't got nothing to do with nothing.
Looks to me like it needs to go.
It's hard to tell from up here. You don't need to get any further that way. All right. It's hard to tell from up here. We just wanted to get them away from the... Yeah, you got to come this way. Yeah, you can. Wow! Wow! Wow, that's enough. That's enough. This one doesn't scare me on purpose, ain't it? What we get? Gee whiz. All right. Gee whiz. Don't make it shake so much.
Yeah. Go ahead. I'll tell you what. Why are you making it move so much? I don't know. I don't. I'm too terrified to think about it. Yeah, I can cut that. Oh, brother.
I'm sorry, but you're funny.
Oh boy. Oh, great. Okay, so this still. Yeah, right here. All right. Oh boy. So exciting. Mom was up here keeping track.
No, Mom's not. Oh God, I'm not that brave.
Not very safe way to go. Yeah. Overextended. Well, maybe not. You can lower it a little bit. Yeah. We'll start from the bottom. We'll take this one and take it over the limb. That's right. You gotta watch the power lines right below you there. Swing it this way a little bit. You have to. Let's work our way up. What is that?
Yeah, while you're near something, you might as well.
We don't know what you don't want us to cut.
Well, if I want to cut it in fence.
Oh,
You don't cut those? We're just gonna get these then, right?
Right. We want the ones connected to these two big limbs.
we still haven't got the one connected to that big limb over here on the side.
Yeah.
This is the one.
Where this branches out is pretty much dead.
You don't want us to cut that.
Yeah, so funny.
That may be too much for you to handle, Rick.
No, this one's not, I don't think.
Well, you can probably.
Yeah, I cut it there, and if you can get it to fall on that side, I have to drop it on the board. I'm gonna drop it on Mom. Alright.
I'm not out there.
Rick, you go a little further that way, you can clip off something down right there.
I think what we need to do is get that one out of the way.
Okay, yeah.
All right, that's what I said before, but we don't have to do it. Watch your house for me.
It ain't, you ain't near the house.
That's the perfect height. Now, we need to manage to go that way a little bit. I do. Bring up the main building. Now, this one here is extended as far as it goes. The little one.
Too high.
Well, that's going to do is take it higher. Slide this back in. Slide that main thing back in. gotta stop somewhere. If you wanna go all the way around the tree. We can trim a little bit up here, just a little bit, because it's gonna grow out past the room. Yeah, you think if you think something's gonna...
That's what's gonna be the problem.
Well, there's some a little way out there. You ready? That's 100 feet up there. I'll go up there with him on this. No, never mind. You wanna get up there? No, I just wondered. I will. I didn't bother me before. Let's go.
No, there ain't enough room for three.
I'll get down. You can drive. I'd rather watch you if it's all safe. I don't want to cramp. I don't want to cramp the style. I'm going up.
Bob, quit walking in front of the camera.
Now we're clear of the power line. This might be a problem. This is gonna be a problem right here. The bucket's gonna hit this limb.
Well, we're gonna do here. You can get this.
You don't want that cut?
Oh, you don't want that? All right. You can cut that one if you need to. No, we might have to move. I thought we were doing
Actually, it'd be better to cut this one because it's gonna interfere with dropping off.
Go ahead and take that one off. It's close to those lines anyway. And that'll let you go on up.
It's gonna interfere with the rest of them.
Okay.
Cut it here first. Get it on that side then. All I get is a clear drop. Alright. Nope. Now we just gotta clear this one. We gotta clear this one. You don't want this one cut.
It needs to be cut, cut it.
You heard her, Jess. If it needs to be cut, cut it.
Well, we can move the whole rig back. Let's drop it down.